Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to reactivate your Giffgaff SIM card if it's lost or stolen, or maybe a SIM card is not working. Friends, all you have to do is obviously you have to log into your Giffgaff account and go into the settings, profile and settings, all the way down. You see replacement SIM card. In the bottom you will see lost or stolen SIM card. Click on open. Report SIM lost or stolen. Lost your phone or SIM card. If you have lost phone and SIM card, if you are in contract or tie up with Giffgaff, then you have to click on this one. But I have only SIM card, pay as you go SIM card, so I will just click bar my SIM card. So obviously they're going to block the SIM card. And make sure before that you need a new SIM card, so you can register that old number on this new SIM card. So I don't need to order it where I have a SIM card on me. To get a backup and running with the same number instantly, you can use another Giffgaff SIM card, so which is this one guys, which I have already got in my hand. So basically go and click on swap my SIM card now. Are you sure you want to proceed? Confirm, and then just enter. There is a activation number on this one, so I'll just quickly type my activation number.
Big man, you did top up.
Sorry, my brother.
You did top up.
No top up, my brother. I'm very sorry. And then the replacement SIM card. Here, you are about to perform a SIM swap. Please the read and resonance. Okay, that's it. Go to my Giffgaff. And obviously, my friends, it will take up to 2 hours to replace it. I'll read this one. SIM replacement. Hi there, you are about to perform a SIM swap. Please read this carefully. Scroll down and make sure you click yes, I want to replace my SIM. Yes, make sure you have to do all these things, my friend. Yes, I am sure. That's it. Here they go, all done for you. We are activating your SIM card. I hope you like this video. Please do like, subscribe and comment. If you don't like my videos, please do comment and subscribe. Thank you.